Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to get the exciting coupons and discount codes for Vuori in 2025, then this video is for you. So you can see if you're new on Vuori, so you can get 20% off on your first purchase on this Vuori. For this all for all new users on Vuori. So you can also go to the couponfollow.com/site/vuoriclothing.com, and from here you can find different types of discounts and deals here, and it is most updated here. Now you can find it is verified, and you can find show promo code button here. Simply click on it to reveal the code. You can copy the code and paste it to get this discount on Vuori. Now another website is simplycodes.com/store/vuoriclothing.com, and from here you can also find some exciting deals and discounts. Here is the top picks for today, and the success rate you can see here, and it is verified code. So simply click on view code, and it will also reveal the code. Simply click on copy, and you can use it whenever you're going to purchase something from Vuori. Now the third website is couponchief.com/vuoriclothing, and if you follow this URL you can find this page where you can also find some exciting deals and promo codes. So you can click on this deal to enjoy this deal, or you can simply click on this get promo code and it will reveal the promo code here. Here is some instruction for you. You can follow this and you are good to go. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Till next time.